Use the segment length tool to measure and edit the length of a selected internal or external segment. Select the segment, then go to Segment, Segment Length, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Enter. The dialog shows the length of the segment for all graded sizes. Click inside the length field and enter a new measurement to change the segment length. Then choose the Extend method, which tells the system which point to move and in which direction. For this segment, this is the first point, and this is the second point. The Extend method options are to move the first point horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. The second point horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Or both points evenly, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. For curved segments like sleeve caps and armholes, the Curve Extend method keeps the start and end points in position, and the measurement is distributed proportionally along the curve. When Edit Base Size Only is ticked on, only the base size segment length can be edited, and the system adjusts the graded sizes according to the grade rules. Tick this off to give exact segment length measurements for each size. Practice using each Extend method until you are familiar with how each option works. Watch the Compare Length help video to learn how to copy and paste measurement values to the segment length table.